Hello everyone. ICSE class 10th. Very important questions of chapter shares and dividend. I have selected 18 questions which are very important. If you do all these 18 questions, I think it is sufficient to revise the chapter shares and dividend. Now I have divided into 6 parts. Number 1, question 1 to 3. First video, question number 1 to 3. A man purchases 600 shares of face value rupees 40 at par. At par means market value is also same. Market value is also same. If a dividend of rupees 1680, dividend mean income, that is annually. This is annual dividend. At the end of year, find the rate of dividend. You have to find D%. You are given dividend. You know the formula of annual dividend. That is D% into face value of 1 share into number of share is equal to 1680. D% you have to find. D upon 100, face value 40, number of share you are to given. A man purchases 600 shares. Number of share is equal to 600 is equal to 1680. Now 2 0 cancel कर दो. D is equal to 1680 upon 40 into 6. 4 4 the 4 2 the 6 7 the. D is equal to 7. D% is equal to 7. You have to find dividend. Find the rate of dividend. Rate mean percent. Dividend percent. So dividend percent is 7%. Question number 2. A man invests rupees 9600. That is investment. That is investment is equal to rupees 9600. On rupees 100 share mean that is face value. On rupees 100 share mean that is face value. At rupees 80 mean this is market value. If the company pays him 18% dividend, D%, 18%. Number 1, find the number of share. You know the formulas. What is the formula of number of share? You know the formula of investment. Investment is equal to market value into number of share. So number of share is equal to investment upon market value. That is 9600 upon market value is 80. 0 cancel. 8 1 the 8 to the 0. This is equal to 120. Answer number 1. Second part. Total dividend, total income, total dividend. The formula of total dividend is equal to D% into face value of 1 share into number of share. D%, 18 upon 100, face value 100, number of share. What are the number of shares? 120. Now 100 cancel कर दो. 18 into 120, 18 to the 36, 18 to the 36, 3, 18 to the 18 plus 3, 210. This is the annual dividend, or you can say annual income, or simply you can say dividend or income. You can write dividend or income or annual dividend or annual income. सबका मीनिंग सेम है because dividend is given annually. Now his percentage return on the shares. Percentage return means return on your investment. That is R%. What is the formula to calculate R%? R% into MV is equal to D% into FB. Dividend is always calculated on the face value and R% on investment, that is market value. So what is given? You have to find R%. R upon 100 into market value is 80 into, not into, equal to D%. What is D%? 18%. 18 upon 100 into face value, this is 100. 100 कैंसिल, ऐसे करो, ये 100 कैंसिल विद ये 100, नीचे 100 कैंसिल कर दो. नाउ R इज इक्वल टू 18 इंटू 100 अपॉन 80, 0 कैंसिल, 2 4 द 2 9 द 2 2 द 2 5 द 9 इंटू 5 45 by 2 22 by 5%. This is answer number 3. This was question number 2. Now next question number 3. A man invests rupees 3960, investment 3960 in shares of company which pays 15% dividend. D% is 15%. At the time when the rupees 100 share, 25 share, it means this is face value. Rupees 25 share, which is a face value, cost rupees 33 mean market value. Now what to find? Number 1, number of shares. Again, number of shares, investment upon market value. Investment upon market value 3960 upon market value is 33. 3 11 the 3 1 the 3 3 the 3 2 the 0 11 1 the 22 11 2 the 0, which is equal to 120. Answer number 1. Now next, second part. The annual income from his shares, annual income, AI, annual dividend, or you can say annual income, which is D% into face value of 1 share into number of shares. Now D% is 15%, which is 15 upon 100 into face value 25 into number of share, that is 120. 25 for the 4 3 12 0, which is 450 rupees. 450. Now next, rate of interest which he gets on his investment. Rate of interest या rate of return, you can say, both are same thing. This is R%. The formula is R% into MV is equal to D% into FV. Now solve it. R upon 100 into market value is 33. D% is 15 upon 100. Face value is 25. नीचे 100 काट दो. R is equal to 15 into 25 upon 33. 3 11 the 3 5 the 5 into 25 125 upon 11. 11 1 the 11 115 11 the 11 4 11%. This is answer number 3. That's it. These were 3 questions in first video, and other questions will be in the other videos. My dear student, if you like this video, please share it as much as possible so that every student can be benefited. And I assure you, the students of other schools also, they will be benefited if you share it. And please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks.